Welcome to No Nonsense Travel Tips. In this video, I will show you how you can contact VRBO customer support in just under a few clicks. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you have VRBO website open on your computer, on the top right, you will see the sign in option. Click on that and click on the sign in again and just follow the sign in prompts. And when you are logged into your account, you will see your name on the top right. Click on your name once again and now choose my profile option. And on the following screen, choose the help and feedback option, which is at the bottom. And here you will see a couple of options. The first one is a chat now. When you click on it, first it will start with a virtual agent, but as you keep answering questions, it will eventually in a couple of minutes connect you with a live support agent, and they are pretty helpful is what I've seen. The other option is if you prefer to just phone them, you will have their local phone number to call in the third option here. And if for some reason it is not showing you a local number for your country, you just need to change your country here. And for that, just click on this flag icon at the top. And in the region, just choose the country you are in. And it will refresh. When you go back into the same section again, you will see the contact number is now displayed for the country you have chosen above. And in my experience, getting in touch and getting to speak to a real person is fairly quick on VRBO. How efficient they are in resolving problems, it's questionable. But I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.